Well, hello everyone. My name is Chad Hunter and I am the proud principal of Vivian Field Middle School. Welcome to our virtual showcase night. We are so thrilled you have joined us. This showcase is for any parent or student that is interested in attending Field, and of course for our fifth grade parents that attend our feeder elementaries like Janie Stark, Blair, Farmers Branch, and McLaughlin Strickland Elementaries. As I talk through all things Vivian Field in this presentation, please add any questions you might have in the chat, and myself or someone from our team will make sure to answer those for you. We will also have time at the end to answer more questions as well. Let me introduce some of our team that's going to help answer those questions. We have Kara Miller, assistant principal. We have Taylor Rempf, AVID coordinator. Paula Clay, dual language teacher. Sari Haskell, a counselor. And Hope Keene, our 504 response to intervention coordinator. A couple quick facts about Field. We have about 950 scholars that we serve. We are a very data-driven campus with a lot of Tier 1 instructional practices. All of our scholars take honor level courses in reading, social studies, and science. And last year on the state interim assessment, our students showed growth in every single reporting category in math and reading in every single grade level. We have an incredible culture here at Vivian Field that's really defined by what we tell our students is the two most important things that they have complete control over: attitude and effort. We call ourselves a fearless family because we stay united and we support one another, and we also encourage the fearlessness of taking risks as long as it's in the benefit of student achievement. Our work ethic is defined by something that we say called row the boat. Each day we row the boat toward growth and achievement, and we do this as a united, fearless family. So let's take a look at some of the amazing things that we offer at Field and some of the amazing programs that your scholars can be part of. And if you haven't already seen, we have a little preview video in Whova and in the presentation that you'll be able to access and kind of see some visuals. First, let's talk a little bit about our counselors. We have two amazing counselors that support all students on their social and emotional learning. And they also help students with their academic schedules to ensure that they're set and that they're ready to transition to high school at the completion of 8th grade. They work with our elementary counselors and the high school counselors to really make sure we are bridging these middle years for your scholar. Feel free to reach out to them if your son or daughter is a 5th grader at one of our feeder campuses. They will be meeting with those feeder campuses virtually soon, and more information will be sent out on that soon. We also have Miss Haskell, one of our counselors, here on the panel for scheduling questions. And really the basics for 6th graders is all 6th graders are taking reading, writing, science, social studies, and math, and have 2 additional courses that they can take electives in. More on that in a minute. And let's talk about some of those electives and programs that your kiddos can take. First, we have dance. Dance is, we are super lucky to have dance. We're one of only 2 middle schools that have a dance program. This is the first year we've been able to offer dance, and this is for any level of experience, boys, girls. We are super lucky that Miss Brewer Poole is the teacher. She's a Juilliard grad. She's a CFB raised person, and dance also falls into, it qualifies as a PE credit, and each middle school student has to have at least 2 years of a PE credit before they move on to high school. Next up, we have orchestra. This is one of our musical fine arts that's an option for 6th graders. Orchestra is led by the great Miss Nino and Mr. Gonzalez, and students have a choice of playing one of 4 instruments: the violin, the viola, the cello, and the bass. Next is band. Band is directed by Mr. Haig and Mr. Lutweiler. They work very closely with even our high school band directors. Here, students can pick from 11 different instruments, 5 of which are woodwinds, 5 are brass, and then, of course, we have percussion. We are also super lucky to have Miss Clary as our art teacher. She does a great job with our kiddos. Every single year, we have field scholars that win in UIL art contest and the PTA Reflections art contest. And eventually, when the building is open for visitors, if you were to come into Vivian Field, you would see our student artwork displayed all over the school. Next, our third kind of musical elective or fine art is choir. We have the best choir teachers you could ever ask for in Miss Lloyd and Miss Baruman. Choir has 7 different performing groups, and consistently those groups get superior ratings when they compete in UIL each year. Let me go back one there. Next, we have theater, our defending UIL champion theater team, which is led by our Teacher of the Year nominee, Miss Sarah Duke. They do a performance in the fall, they do a performance in the spring, and this is not just about actors. It's for costumes, makeup, sound design, and even writing and directing. Miss Duke does a great job of really letting her students take the creative lead on a lot of the projects that they do. Now getting into some of our PE credited courses here. Next up, we are really lucky that we are able to offer karate to all scholars. We partner with a Chuck Norris company called Kickstart, and Kickstart provides us with an incredible martial arts instructor. These students do earn belts, and they really learn the disciplines that come with karate. And again, all grade levels are welcome to join. Athletics. Unfortunately, athletics is going to be more for our 7th and 8th graders, but it's never too early for your 6th grader to be thinking about what sports they would like to play. To be on our Viking teams, we have some of the best coaches around. Our cheer squad made it all the way to nationals last year and is the 2-time defending district champ. And our boys and girls soccer teams have also consistently been district champs. The sports that we offer on the boys' side are football, basketball, track, and soccer. And on the girls' side, volleyball, basketball, track, and then soccer. And they go in that order for the seasons as well. Next, I want to talk to you about a program called AVID, or Advancement via Individual Determination. AVID is by far the unsung hero program that literally can change our scholars' lives. We have recently expanded the program to include 6th grade and want to continue to grow the student numbers in this program. The program will put your child on track to being a college graduate. It teaches students the skills they need to be successful academically and runs all the way through high school. I highly encourage you as a parent to consider putting your son or daughter in this program. It is open to all, and I know when I have the opportunity to put my young children in AVID, I will certainly do so. Next, and getting here close to the end, we are really proud to be a dual language campus. We are one of only 2 middle school campuses that have the dual language program. This program serves both English and Spanish students who's in their first language, and also our dual language teachers are very highly qualified and the best around. Kind of the dual language track, in 6th grade, they will take social studies in Spanish, and they will take a Spanish class. So that kind of takes away one of their 2 electives. So in 6th grade, in the dual language track, 6th graders will only get 1 elective, but I'm going to come back to that because it's really important down the road. It might be a little hard the first year of 6th grade because you only get that 1 elective that our students really like, but it's going to pay off in the end. When you transition to 7th grade, our dual services is they will take science in Spanish, and then they will take pre-AP Spanish. And then in 8th grade, they take, again, 8th grade science in Spanish, but then they are also in AP Spanish Lang. Currently, all of our dual language students take the AP exam in 8th grade, and at Vivian Field, 98% of our dual language students score a 3 or higher on this exam. So what does that mean? It means that they not only get all of their foreign language high school credit, but they also get college credit for their foreign language. It's a huge deal. And now when you move on to high school, circling back to those electives that the 6th graders didn't get to have in their 6th grade year, now they have a much larger menu of electives they can choose from in high school, where they have so many cooler options than we do in middle school. So it certainly pays off in the long run to go through that dual language track. All right. Finally, I just wanted to touch base and let you know that Vivian Field is under a bond, a $40 million bond renovation. It hasn't been easy this year as we've been under construction as the school year has been going on, but it is supposed to be done for August 2021. So for you fifth grade parents out there, we're gonna have a brand new, beautiful building that your kids deserve to learn in at the start of next school year. We're gonna have all new seventh and eighth grade classrooms, like completely renovated. All of the sixth grade classrooms are completely refreshed with new flooring, new paint. We have a brand new courtyard. We're gonna have a new track that goes all the way around the football field and a whole new front entrance. So we're super grateful for the renovations. And like I said, our kids and our staff deserve a beautiful, modern, renovated building. And that's exactly what we're getting. All right, one of the things that as we end here is what we tell our kids every day is we want to set high goals, we want to work hard to achieve them, and that college and career ready really does start at our middle school. I know it seems like it's far into the future, but it is never too early to really be thinking through being college and career ready. And finally, to wrap up here, I just want to really say thank you for joining us tonight. It's really, it's been great to have these virtual options under the circumstances that we're in. And we're grateful for parents like you that are taking advantage of those options and making sure that you get as much information that you need. I really want to encourage you to visit our website and, more importantly, visit our social media. If you really want to get a great glimpse into what life is like here and what our culture here is at Vivian Field, our social media will show that for you. All right, so that will conclude our presentation tonight, and then we will check the questions in the chat.